Ever wondered how your perception of a question can influence your answer? Consider this. If you have 3 apples and you take away 2, how many do you have? Did you say 1 apple? Well, think again, you actually have 2 apples. Yes, you took away 2, but they remain in your possession. You see, sometimes the way a question is phrased can lead us to an unexpected answer. Now let's move to a slightly more complex question. If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 widgets, how long would it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? Did you think it would take longer because there are more widgets and machines? In fact, the answer is just 5 minutes. Each machine takes 5 minutes to make its widget, so adding more machines doesn't change the time it takes. Each machine works independently, illustrating the concept of parallel processing in action. Next up, a question that might take you back to your school sports days. You're in a race and you pass the person in second place. What place are you in now? If you thought first place, give it another thought. You passed the person in second place, but you didn't surpass the person in first place. So you're now in second place. It's a classic example of how our competitive instincts can sometimes cloud our critical thinking. Now, imagine you dig a hole that is 3 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 3 feet deep. How much dirt is in the hole? It might seem like a math problem, but it's actually a trick question. There is no dirt in a hole because, by definition, a hole is an empty space. Finally, consider this. A farmer has 17 sheep and all but 9 die. How many are left? No, it's not 8. It's 9. The phrase, all but 9, means that 9 are the ones that remain. These questions serve to illustrate that the way we perceive and interpret a question can greatly impact our answer. It's a reminder that critical thinking involves not just understanding the words, but also the context and the underlying logic. It's a skill that can be developed over time and is valuable in all aspects of life, from solving complex problems at work to making important personal decisions. So remember, next time you're faced with a tricky question, take a moment to think critically about what is being asked. Who knows? You might surprise yourself with the answer.